Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. What 3 words is a simple way of knowing your accurate location within a 3-metre square. We asked a paramedic for their thoughts on what 3 words and what is helpful to the EMS to help them find the patient.
I think What 3 Words is a really fantastic app, and we should all have it downloaded onto our smart devices. I know personally I have used it, and many of our other emergency services make sure that that is an option for people to give an accurate location using What 3 Words. I live quite near a coast, and you will often see along the seawall it marks points along the seawall, and it tells you what the What 3 word location is to help prompt you should you need to call the emergency services. Because obviously if you just said I'm at the beach in this town, it could be miles and miles, and oh, I'm to the left of the pier. That's not very specific. So yeah, it's a fantastic resource, and I really encourage you to download the app and become familiar with it. On our ambulances and response cars, we do have really good sat-navs in order to find the location of the job. However, some doorways and properties are poorly illuminated, and some newer estates don't map accurately on our devices. So it's really helpful if people come out to some visible location and flag us down. Leave the door open or ajar so that we can identify where we're coming to. In big locations like business parks, large factories, shopping centres, if somebody can come to the door and a designated point to meet us and take us the right way to where the patient is, it saves so much time and ensures that help can get to the right place at the right time as quickly as possible. We were recently called to a really well-known large department store in a town centre location for a very young child that was having a seizure, and we got to the location, walked into the shop, asked several members of staff, called out to members of the public, does anyone need an ambulance? And nobody knew that there was a patient that required our services. We eventually went upstairs to walk all around the upper level, and we found all the members of staff gathered around the person and the family, but none of them had thought to come and collect us, and it delayed us by at least 4 to 5 minutes, all vital time where we could have given treatment to this poor child.